A warm welcome to you all. I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome or welcome back to Anne's Delicious Kitchen. In this video, I will share with y'all how I make condensed toffee or caramel candy. Your children will love it, likewise yourself. For this candy or toffee, I will use coconut oil, condensed milk, ground cinnamon, evaporated milk, and salted butter. I will start off by melting my salted butter, which contains salt. If you're using unsalted butter, you can add a pinch of salt if you desire. As you can see, the butter has melted, and so I will go in with 1/3 cup of evaporated milk. Using this will add a creamy and rich texture in the toffee. For a coconutty flavor, I just added a bit of coconut oil. To that, I will add 1 tin of my condensed milk, which is readily available in the supermarkets. And then I have ground cinnamon. This is completely optional to use. I just added a 1/4 teaspoon of it for a slightly sweet and spiced flavor. Once I've added my ingredients, I will mix everything together and stir. So basically, you will need to stir continuously. While stirring, you will notice that the mixture will begin to thicken, just like you're seeing right now. So keep stirring. Make sure to add a bit of grease to your pot to prevent the mixture from sticking at the bottom. So I just went in with a bit of coconut oil, and then I will keep stirring. While stirring, you will notice that the mixture will change in color from cream to golden brown. So, this is the thickness and color I am going in for. Just before I transfer the mixture to my oiled bowl, let's do a test by dipping the mixture in water to check if it's ready. All you need to do is to take a piece of the mixture and dip it in the water. I have transferred the condensed toffee to my oiled bowl. It's very hot, so allow it to cool for about 30 seconds to a minute. While it cools, it hardens. Keep that in mind. Allow me to quickly clean my surface and grease it with coconut oil to prevent the mixture from sticking onto the surface. I will also go ahead and grease my hand with the coconut oil. Let's transfer the candy to the oiled surface and start forming our shapes. You can create your toffee in any shape you desire. Just be creative with it. If you're still watching, thank you very much for the support and give this toffee a try. Keep in mind to create your shapes quickly as the mixture will harden when it cools. So, these are the shapes I have created and will keep it in the fridge to quickly harden. After taking it out from the fridge, this is the outcome. I will go ahead and transfer it into a container. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment, subscribe. Thank you and stay blessed.